Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. Apologies, I have some allergies this morning, so the voice is going in and out. We have a freebie at Walgreens, some penny items at the Dollar General, and a whole bunch of 90% off Easter merchandise. And we're going to start right with the Easter merchandise. So on Monday, I think Hobby Lobby, Walgreens, and Walmart went 90. And there's still a whole lot left. Even yesterday, I was bebopping at a Walmart and I found even more stuff. So don't be shy to keep looking at those stores. And then this morning, which is the 30th of April, Wednesday, Meijer went 90% if you live in the Midwest. I thought for this video, I would just show you some slides of some of my hauls. I'm not going to go through absolutely everything like Vanna White because it'll take forever. And I know some of you just don't care about this Easter stuff, but those pails, 20 cents, and if something's $1, it's 20 cents now at Walgreens. To answer a quick question, when is Walgreens going to go 90? Probably not. If you look at the tag at the store, it says that May the 16th, so it's supposed to be on clearance that long. It probably won't. It's going to get boxed up and sent to head office before then, or donated to some sort of charity group in your town. Now, Walmart certainly had a ton of stuff, and so a $15 toy is now $1.50. Just, it's pretty easy to decipher, but 90% is really fantastic, especially if you want to grab a bunch of the stuff for next year. And like I said in videos earlier in the month, we had a really huge ice storm here. I think people just do not have the funds for this stuff, so I did get quite a bit, and there was still so much around. Hobby Lobby also went 90% off. I didn't go too crazy in that store, but they had a lot of cute items. And the final 90% off store is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest, and that's fresh. It just happened this morning, which is Wednesday, April the 30th. All Easter merchandise, 90% off, an additional 90% off. The first store that we're going to start off at is everybody's favorite Walgreens. I found these in the clearance section. They are the Always Discreet 28 count ladies disposable underwear for my mom. Here is the specifics, and it is for a size small medium, so 2 to 14, and they do stretch out. We have this digital coupon. Now, a lot of you are like, well, what is the price? I think it was $2.23 per bag, which is really cheap. So 2 of those is $4.76. Subtracting that digital coupon, $1.76 for the 2, or 88 cents a bag. Typically, these are what, $15 to $20 a bag on a non-sales week. You're doing this with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash or register rewards to pay down the balance, but that is cheap and a sensational deal if you're on the lookout for the underwear. Now, this is more of an advanced deal, but if you can follow along, I would totally make this happen to grab one of the SHEA Moisture body washes and then one of the body scrubs at $12. They're on this goofy promotion that when you purchase, I believe it's 2, or you spend $20, you're going to get a $10 register reward. That's it. So we're going to load this $5 coupon, and it's going to attach to that body scrub. These coupons have been found at Walmart. You're just going to need one, or possibly if you could track one down over at Walgreens. I mean, that's an additional $4 off, and they just put them out recently. So, yeah. We have this rebate on Fetch, which is 1,000 points back for both the body wash and the scrub, and it's still there as of this morning. IBOTTA has $2 back on a body wash and then $1 back on the scrub. But on the scrub, the time ticker of death is going, so do this deal ASAP to get your rebates. So this is just a very straightforward deal, grabbing a body wash and a scrub for $24, subtracting that $5 digital, the $4 hang tag, you're going to pay $15. Get back a $10 register reward, photograph your receipt for Fetch for $2, and then you're getting $3 back from IBOTTA, 2 for the body wash and $1 for the scrub, making this whole transaction free. If you wish to use Walgreens cash, you're doing this deal with no booster. By all means, go for it and make this deal happen right away, guys. These products we used to get for free or cheap all the time, and now it seems like there's not a lot of deals. The Irish Spring Bar soap, that refill for the soft soap, and the soft soap body wash. Every other week there was promotions for years and years, but the parent company for this, Colgate, they've really stopped the deals on it. So I'm going to try and make something out of nothing. We have $2 digital coupons on all 3 of these items, so load all 3. Alternatively, if you want to go with the Irish Spring liquid body wash, They also have a $2 one for that, but my store doesn't sell it. So just to show you, grabbing 3 of these at $5.99, that's $17.97. Subtracting that $6 digitals, $2 for each. It's $11.97 for the 3. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, go for it. Honestly, if you just did that SHEA deal and you have a $10 register reward, throw it into this and pay $1.97 and you've just won the couponing Olympics. We also have various beverages, Topo Chico and the Starbucks. It's a triple shot energy drink for 42 cents, 90% off. And those are the 8 counters of the lime and blueberry Topo Chicos for $1.09. Here in Michigan, you have to pay a bottle deposit for that, but it's still a really fantastic deal if you love these drinks. Now we're over at the Dollar General and we're going to talk about penny shopping. Christie's Connections released a video. See that one that says huge? That one right there? Go and watch it if you want more details on this. But her and her team came up with this very decisive list of home goods that are a penny. And go and watch Christie's video. Her and her team work tirelessly and endlessly on these deals, and they are fantastic. And people like me can score because of her. So I am so, so grateful to them. But you're going to go to this home section, where they have like all the clocks and wall decor and stuff. And there are some items, I believe it's a lot of stuff from 2022 that's ringing up a penny. And we had this crazy windstorm yesterday, so I had to close my garage because it was like just wild air everywhere and it was like everything was flying around. So I'm just going to show you the stuff that I'm finding for a penny. This yellow is a bit more bright and spectacular, just in a dingy looking garage. It looks kind of like weird color, so just sorry about the color, guys, but I did these photos all last night. But when you can get these items for a penny, I mean, oh my gosh. These next 2 items are my absolute favorite finds. This flatware, it's like a little caddy, $12, now a penny. And then this water bottle by Manna, and it's a beautiful pink clouds. Wow. This salad plate too, I also adore. It's just so cute. I'm keeping all of these. I mean, I think they're adorable. And we have these absolutely stunning, it's like a pie plate. I mean, you can honestly just put napkins in this and just put it anywhere in your kitchen. Really cute. This I don't really understand. It's called seasoning jar. There's no flippin' handle on this. I would get the seasoning all over my kitchen because I'm a friggin' klutz. This, I think it's also the same design. It's called a vintage tray, so you could maybe put jewelry and stuff on top of it. Another great find are these very large canisters with the wooden lids. I think you can put like flour and various, sugar, that sort of stuff for your kitchen in there. And here are the UPCs. I would honestly scan anything that looks really old in that kitchen area at your Dollar General. And for those that are like, I don't believe a word that you're saying, here's one of the receipts. I went to like 3 or 4 stores yesterday. One store I found absolutely nothing, but 3 I at least found a couple items. And if your store was recently built, obviously you're not going to find any of this stuff. But if you have an older store, definitely get in there and look around and make this magic happen. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.